This is going to be a video tutorial on how to show or hide your bio on Telegram. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Telegram app. To show or hide your bio, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my little settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says Privacy and Security. Tap on Privacy and Security. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to the Privacy section. And in the Privacy section, right down here, Bio. As you can see, I currently have mine set to Nobody. Nobody can see my bio. I'm going to tap on Bio. It says, who can see my bio? Everybody, my contacts, or nobody. You can choose between any one of those. Down below that, it says exceptions, always share with, and you could add users by tapping on add user. But the main settings right up top here, who can see my bio. That is how to hide or show your bio on Telegram. Thanks for watching.